supposed to look like? No! The sides are all melting. Fun coffee. And we even saw him in there. There's like 50 more in there. I need a thingy. I don't know where to put them. Except for I only have one hanging on the mitts. There's no wrong mitts, is there? Just give me a towel. It's heavy, isn't it? Chocolate icing stinks. Maybe. Depends on your face a little. This feels disgusting. It's like sales blood all over my face. To the face! It stinks really bad. It tastes really good. No, not in the sink. Are you seriously licking it? Isn't it good? Yeah, it is, isn't it? This tongue's not long enough. No, I have a really short tongue. Oh God, this is really gross. That's a big finger full of icing. I'm like, huh? I'm in your face. There you go. It's all over the counter now. There's your good mess today. Bathroom. Katana. Is he trying on bras again? Not in a nice place. Yummy. Listen. I think it's good. Wiggle my eyebrows. Is there icing in the eyebrows? No, it's fine. I really don't know what she's talking about. It's much. Wait here a second. Come here. You just have to shave off your eyebrows. What was it trying to say? You have one guess. You have one guess. Trying to say. Actually, there's the triples. Ready? Just made a